I'm Opie. Do you love good quality food that tastes just like home? You're at the right place. Welcome to Opie's Kitchen. What are you waiting on to subscribe? In today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make the classic Jamaican oxtail fall right from the bone. The key to a good oxtail is prepping and combining all the right spices together. After combining all the ingredients, massage them into the oxtail. Oxtail could take you up to 2 hours to prepare, but with using a pressure cooker, it could take you up to an hour or sometimes less. It all depends on the oxtail. You might just be lucky and running some soft oxtail. But nevertheless, with all these ingredients, you should get the most delicious oxtail. And don't worry, I leave all the ingredients in the description down below. And don't forget to drop some comments in the comment section for the next recipe you'd like to see. As I always say, thanks for watching. Until next time, bye!